Mm. Listen me now. Some love begins with one smile, one heartbeat, one moment, and before you know it, 1,000 feelings become one love. Me remember the day we met, a moment me could never forget. Like the sunrise kissing the sea, you brought new life into me. Every smile you gave away brightened up my darkest day. Every touch so soft and true made me fall in love with you. Like the breeze through coconut trees, you fill my soul with gentle peace. Every heartbeat softly said, this is where true love is led. Oh Jah, thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every feeling leads me to forever loving you. 1,000 feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the waves that kiss the shore, they keep loving you more and more. 1,000 feelings, one heart, love, nothing could keep us apart. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, forever starts with you. Walking barefoot by the sea, you are all me eyes can see. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, bringing out such perfect peace. When you whisper, I love you, me know every word is true. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Me don't need diamonds or fame, your sweet love is on me claim. 'Cause every dream me ever knew found its home inside of you. Hold me close, don't let go, our love will always grow. Every heartbeat, every sigh says this love will never die. Oh, 1,000 feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the waves that kiss the shore, they keep loving you more and more. 1,000 feelings, one heart, love, nothing could keep us apart. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know some people search a lifetime long, looking for where they belong, but just smiled on me that day when he sent you my way. You are the melody I sing, the joy in everything, like flowers reaching for the sun. Our forever has begun. Every sunset, every dawn makes our love keep growing strong. No matter where life carries us, we'll always choose our love. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. 1,000 dreams, one destiny forever, just you and me. When the years have all gone by, we'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing this love has come so far. Every morning we will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. 'Cause every feeling deep inside still grows stronger with time. Forever faithful, forever true. My always belong to you. 1,000 feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like you avatars from 1,000 feelings in one love. Listen, I know before you came, my heart was beating, but it wasn't dancing. Then just sent you, and everything found its rhythm. Before your love came into sight, we walked alone through every night, searching for a melody that could set my spirit free. Then you smiled and held my hand, like waves that gently kiss the sand. Every heartbeat came alive for the very first time, like reggae playing in the breeze. You brought my restless soul to peace. Every step and every kiss showed me what true loving is. Oh Jah, we give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat, every hymn, my heart has found its rhythm. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love. Like the ocean meets the shore, me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, a blessing from heaven above. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, dance with me forever. Walking slowly by the sea, you are everything to me. Palm trees swaying side to side, with your hand held close to mine. Every whisper that you say takes my lonely fears away. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. We don't need another dream, you are everything we need. 'Cause the greatest song I know is the love we always show. Hold me close, stay with me together is where we'll be. Every heartbeat, every rhyme, moving together in perfect time. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love. Like the ocean meets the shore, me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, a blessing from heaven above. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Every sunset paints the sky with forever you and I. Your love is my sweetest song, in your arms is where I belong. Every moment, every day shows me love's beautiful way. When the moon shines on the sea, it's your face that I still see. Every prayer Jah answered true when He brought me close to you. Feel the rhythm, feel the sound. True love has found its ground. Heart to heart, heart to heart, soul to soul, soul to soul. Your love has made my spirit whole. When the years have all gone by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Through every season we go through, I'll keep choosing only you. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart keeps dancing because of you. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love. Hey, like the ocean meets the shore, me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, forever beating strong and true. Through every season, every year, they promise I'll always keep you near. My heart found its rhythm the day it mine from its rhythm the moment you became mine forever. Listen me now. Some love lasts for a season, but true love feels like forever. And every moment with you is the sweetest feeling me I've ever known. From the day you walked my way, you chased my lonely clouds away. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought new life inside of me. Every smile lights up my soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. Every heartbeat softly sings of the joy your loving brings. Like the flowers bloom in spring, you make my heart dance and sing. Every dream I felt so tight came alive the day we met. Oh Jah, me give you praise for this beautiful love that grows each day. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. The sweet feeling of forever is loving you today and ever. Like the waves embrace the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The sweet feeling of forever keeps our hearts beating together. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, forever starts with us. Walking slowly by the sea feels like heaven next to me. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our hearts such gentle peace. When you whisper, me love you, me believe every word is true. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit up so high. Me don't need a life of gold, your warm heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love that's all around. Hold me closer, stay right here, every day, every year, side by side, hand in hand, together forever is just plan. The sweet feeling of forever is loving you today and ever. Like the waves embrace the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The sweet feeling of forever keeps our hearts beating together. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Some people search a lifetime through, looking for a love so true, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you there. Your laughter is my favorite song, with you is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky with the colors of you and I. Through every storm we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Nothing in this world can change the love Jah has arranged. Yo, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Listen, me know some conversations need no words, because when two hearts truly love, they already understand. From the first time you looked at me, we felt your love so naturally, like the sunrise on the Caribbean Sea. You brought sweet harmony to me. Every smile you gently gave touched my heart just like the waves. Every moment, every embrace filled my soul with endless grace. When your eyes met mine that day, every fear just slipped away. Me knew Jah had made it true, a love so beautiful with you. Oh Jah, thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every heartbeat, every sign brings your loving heart closer to mine. When your heart speaks to mine, every star begins to shine, like the ocean needs the shore. We keep loving you more and more. When your heart speaks to mine, everything feels so divine. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, keep talking to my soul. Walking barefoot by the sea feels like heaven next to me. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our hearts such perfect peace. Every whisper, soft and slow, makes my deepest feelings grow. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit up so high. Me don't need a perfect place, paradise is your embrace. 'Cause wherever you may be, that's where home will always be. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever worth the while. When your heart speaks to mine, every star begins to shine, like the ocean meets the shore. We keep loving you more and more. When your heart speaks to mine, everything feels so divine. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, me know some people hear with only ears, but true love listens through the years. Every silence that we share tells me just how much you care. Your heartbeat sings a melody that was always meant for me. Every dream and every prayer found its answer standing here, like the moonlight on the sea. Your love keeps surrounding me. Every sunset paints the sky with forever, you and I. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. No words spoken, still I know your loving heart will never let me go. When the years have all gone by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, thanking Jah for who we are. Every morning I'll still choose a love we'll never ever lose. Forever faithful, forever true. Every heartbeat leads to you. When your heart speaks to mine, I hear forever. When your heart surviving, but your love taught it how to truly live. The day you walked into my life, you chased away the lonely nights. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought new hope inside of me. Every smile you send my way makes my darkest skies turn gray. Every touch so warm and true makes me fall again for you. Like the breeze through island trees, you fill my soul with gentle peace. Every heartbeat sings your name, nothing stays the same. Oh Jah, me give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat, every smile, you make this life so worthwhile. You make my heart come alive with every kiss, with every smile. Like the waves upon the sea, you mean everything to me. You make my heart come alive. Your love lifts my spirit high. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, you are my sunshine forever. Walking barefoot by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze bring a heart such perfect peace. Every whisper, soft and low, makes my deepest feelings grow. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Me don't need a life of fame, calling out another name, 'cause the greatest gift I found is your love all around. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every day, you take all my fears away. You make my heart come alive, oh, with every kiss, with every smile. Like the waves upon the sea, you mean everything to me. You make my heart come alive. Your love lifts my spirit high. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, me know some people search the whole world through, looking for a love so true, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed here. Your laughter is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky with forever, you and I. Through every storm we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Nothing in this world can change the love Jah has arranged. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole, forever shining bright and true. My living heart belongs to you. When the years have all gone by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, thanking Jah for who we are. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day, 'cause every feeling deep inside keeps this love so strong and bright. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart came alive because of you. You make my heart come alive, babe, with every kiss, with every smile. Like the waves upon the sea, yeah. You mean everything to me. You true love burns forever, and every beat of my heart still burns for you. Oh, yeah, yeah. From the first time you smiled at me felt something wild and free, like the sunrise touching the sea. You awaken love inside of me. Every glance, every sweet embrace paints a smile upon my face. Every heartbeat causing it since the day you came. Like the warm Caribbean sun, we knew you were the only one. Every dream we ever knew started coming true with you. Oh, Jah, me give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat burns so true with the fire I feel for you. The fire I feel for you burns with a love so true, like the sunshine on the sea. You mean everything to me. The fire I feel for you makes every dream feel brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, keep this fire burning. Walking slowly by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our heart such perfect peace. When you hold me close tonight, everything just feels so right. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit way up high. And it don't need silver or gold, your warm heart is what me hold. 'Cause the richest soul alive is the one loved by your eyes. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every flame keeps calling your sweet name. The fire I feel for you burns with the love so true, like the sunshine on the sea. You mean everything to me. The fire I feel for you makes every dream feel brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know some people search a lifetime long looking for where they belong, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you here. Your laughter is my favorite song. With you is where me belong. Like the waves upon the shore, me love you more and more. Every sunset, every dawn keeps us beautiful. Love strong no matter where life takes us to. Me always choose you. Feel the rhythm, feel the flame. Love keeps calling your sweet name. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your loving touch has made me whole. This fire will never fade, it's forever by Jah made. When the years have all gone by, me still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, thanking Jah for who we are. Every morning me will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. 'Cause every feeling deep inside still burns with love and pride. Forever faithful, forever true.